Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm back in Tottenham, North London. So after that last video, a lot of people told me to go back to Brown Eagle. I got there just before 12, the shop's closed. Imagine that. And when I looked on Google, it said they'll be open at 10, but when I got there, it was closed. There was a little window on the side. I think that's for deliveries. I spoke to the guy and he was like, open later. So I went through the comments again and I found another one. A lot of you guys told me to come to the Jamaican, and it's on Northumberland Park, just about 2 minutes away from Brown Eagles. Went in there, guys, first impression. When I went in the shop, I was sold straight away. I haven't tasted food, but I just liked the vibe straight away. The girl that served me, she was really nice. I didn't get a name, but so let me show you what I ordered. I got quite a few things. So I got jet chicken, rice and peas. So they do theirs separately. They don't put everything in one container. So you got the rice in here, and then you've got the jet chicken here. So I got a small one. I'm not being greedy today, so I got a small one. Right, so this is what I got, first order. And then I got some porridge. I'm big on porridge. Very, very big on porridge. So I got a cornmeal porridge and got some dumplings. So the dumpling looks really big, you know. It's a stylish one. Yeah, there you go. Right, so I'm gonna start with the porridge for obvious reasons. Oh yeah, they gave me coleslaw. They also gave me jerk sauce. So I'm gonna sample that very soon. But right now, I'm gonna do the porridge. I'm going to show you what the porridge looks like. Ooh, guys, the porridge smells so nice. As soon as you open the lid, that aroma, you can smell everything. You can smell the vanilla, you can smell the nutmeg, cinnamon. I haven't even tucked in. I'm loving it already. It just smells so nice. Right, so I'm going to take my first spoonful. You know what? If I'm being perfectly honest, I would say this is the best porridge I've had in a long while. The best porridge I had was in Jamaica. In London, this is by far the best. It's not too sugary as well. Got perfect amount of sugar. Yeah, this is really good, guys. I can't remember who told me to come here. Quite a few people told me to come to the Jamaican. But if you guys are watching, I'm going to say massive, 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 massive respect for sending me to this place. This was really good. Good recommendation. You can see how excited I am. Listen, you see when I get good food, I get so excited. This is so good, man. Right, so I'm going to have it with some dumpling. If you know me very well, you know I like my dumpling with porridge. So the dumpling's okay. Could have been a little bit warmer, but it's all good. It tastes good, that's the main thing. But yeah, the highlight right now is the porridge. It's got a nice texture. It's not runny and it's not too hard. This is so good. The Jamaican, well done for making really good porridge. Trust me. No cap, if I was in North London, I'd be coming here every single day for my porridge. I'll be a regular. Yeah, this is good. So onto the main course, we've got rice and peas and we've got some jet chicken. But I like how they do it separate because it won't fit in, will it? Container's too small. So yeah, they do it separate. As soon as I open the container, the car is smelling of jerk pan. You know when you see a jerk man jerking and you see the smoke coming out? That's what my car smells like right now. So at least I know it's not cooked in the oven like most shops. I always say that. So, and then smelling the rice. The rice, it's got like a authentic rice and peas smell. It just smells really good. And I asked for some oxtail gravy, but they didn't have any oxtail gravy. So I've got stew chicken gravy, it's always a must. When I get rice and peas, I like to get some gravy on top of it. So yeah, I've got some stew chicken, and then they also gave me, let me show you what they gave me. They gave me some coleslaw. I don't really like coleslaw, so I'm not gonna touch that. But they did give me some jack sauce. It's not jack sauce, it's jack sauce. So I got some jack sauce right there. Yeah, so gonna sample the rice. So I'm gonna try the rice now. I hope it doesn't disappoint because it looks really good. Just look at the presentation and just look at the gravy on top. So I hope it doesn't disappoint. So I'm gonna taste it right now. Right, so the rice has a nice taste to it, but sadly, it's a little bit hard. It's a little bit undercooked. It's a little bit undercooked. But flavor-wise, definitely decent. So the Jamaican shop, if you guys are watching, next time just try to cook the rice a little bit longer, just a tiny little bit longer, because yeah, it's a bit tough. I'm gonna try some of the jerk chicken as well. So this is what the jerk chicken's looking like. Looking nice and juicy. It doesn't feel tough, you know? Doesn't feel tough at all. And then this has got that smoky taste, which is what I like. I just love that smoky taste. I hate when you order jerk chicken, when they say, oh, we sell jerk chicken, and then it just doesn't taste like jerk. It just really pisses me off, but this is how jerk chicken is supposed to taste like. Yeah. This is good. If I rate the chicken, I'll give it easy 9.2. Easy 9.2. And for me, the rice was a little fail, so I'll give it about a 7.8. 7.8, and I think that's very generous. If it was cooked 100%, I would have given it a 9.5, easily. Because it's got a nice flavour to it. I like the flavour. And this is perfect, 9.2. Yeah, the jerk chicken is definitely winning, and it's got a slight kick to it as well. It's spicy, but not too spicy. Perfectly cooked. Right, so I'm gonna taste the jerk sauce. So I'm gonna put one of the pieces in the jerk sauce and see what it tastes like. So I'm gonna dip it all the way in. The jerk sauce is really nice. It's got a sweetness to it. So I'm gonna dip that chicken in. Yeah, jerk sauce is nice. It's got a nice sweetness to it. Very sweet. And it's got a nice kick as well. It's got that spicy kick to it. That's how you pull the chicken off the bone. Yeah, this is good. I'm loving the jerk sauce. The jerk chicken is the best. God, I just messed up my hoodie. I got some jerk sauce on it. Good thing I didn't wear any white. Yeah, so this was a very, very good experience. So once again, anyone that recommend this place to me, I want to say a massive shout going out to you. Yeah, this was really good. It was a shame about Brown Eagle, but we'll revisit another time. Next time I'll come probably about 3 p.m. So it's guaranteed to be open. Because a lot of people tell me to go to Brown Eagle and it's got mixed reviews. There's a lot of people that said it's really good, and there's some people that saying that it's not good, but I want to go and try it out for myself. And for drinks, I got my favourite drink, Mogu Mogu. Mogu Mogu is the lick. If you don't know about Mogu Mogu, check it out. So this is the pina colada flavour. You can get in any off license. And it's got those bits inside. It's like the aloe vera drink, so it's got bits inside. Yeah, they've got pineapple, they've got bubblegum, they've got cherry, they've got strawberry, they've got so many flavours. But yeah, gonna finish off with some mogu mogu. I've never tasted this one before, but it's good. Yeah, so I think this is, yeah, this is good. I think I'm gonna start drinking this one instead. Yeah, so this is it, guys. I came to one of your selections. So if you're in the Tottenham area and you want some good porridge, you want some good jerk chicken, definitely check out the Jamaican. I highly recommend it. Again, everything was perfect. It was just, sadly, it was just the rice. The rice could have been done a little bit more. So if you want to find it, it's on 13 Northumberland Park. So it's not far from the Tottenham Stadium. So the Tottenham Stadium is a little bit over there. Just come towards, as if you're coming towards Edmonton direction, and it's only like, I think it's 2 traffic lights. You turn right, and then the first set of shops, you see the off license where I got this, and then there's another shop. There's a hair and beauty shop there. And there's a, I think there's an SA agent there, and then right next door, you've got the Jamaican. It's really nice shop front. The inside looks beautiful. The staff, very professional. Guys, I'll see you on the next review. Till then, stay blessed. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I'll see you soon.